Welcome to my channel where I post videos on self-growth, productivity, and overall wellness. Going to the beach is a huge part of my wellness routine, and today I'm taking you with me to Hotel on the Cay. This video is part of my exploring / rediscovering St. Croix series. Be sure to hit the like button if you enjoy it. To get to Hotel on the Cay, which is formerly named Protestant Cay, you take a ferry located at the end of the boardwalk in Christiansted town. You can do what we did on this day and park in the government parking lot, which is free on the weekends. My family and I took a quick detour through King's Alley and stopped to watch the fish that swarm near the restaurants on the boardwalk. These fish are tarpon and are so used to being fed by tourists that they will literally swim back and forth waiting for your leftovers. As you can see, this was the perfect day for the beach, and I could always use a good beach day. It's the perfect place to unwind and reset, especially after a long week. Sometimes I'll take a book to read and disconnect from the online world, or I'll bring my journal along for some reflection and planning. Today I'm taking you guys to Hotel on the Cay, which is right over there. It looks pretty empty right now. We're going to have a nice, cool, normal beach day.
You got your mask? Alright, cool.
There's a beach bar and restaurant, so you don't have to worry about bringing food or drinks over there if you don't want to. You can also rent chairs, umbrellas, and cabanas if you want to be a little bougie. But you can also just feel free to set your towel down on the sand under a tree. I'm just including this quick message in here because this cup was left on the boardwalk and it blew into the water and it was too far for us to get it. So please, if you visit our beaches, don't litter, pick up after yourselves. The pickup spot for the ferry is here on the boardwalk near King Christian Hotel, right in front of Breaker's Roar, which is one of my newest favorite spots. It's the only tiki bar on island, and if you are in town, you need to try their food. Getting over to Hotel on the Cay on the ferry is $5 per person, free for hotel guests, and free after 5 p.m. On certain nights during the week, they host themed dinners and fire shows. quality time with family, snorkeling, collecting hermit crabs, and finding sea urchins in the bed of seaweed on the seafloor were the only things on the agenda on this day. I really hope you guys like this new series. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. I'm so excited to show you guys more of my home. Feel free to leave any questions you have for me in the comments, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!